Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Financeable. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install MetaTrader 5 in your device. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser. First of all, open your Play Store or App Store. Then search MetaTrader 5. From there you can see MetaTrader 5 by MetaQuartz Software Corporation. Click on it, then click to install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open MetaTrader 5 app to trade on Forex and stocks. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.